Hi, in this demo, I'll show you how our Excel to Word mail merge tool creates multiple documents automatically. One document for each row in Excel using a simple Word template saved in the template folder. Here is the Excel file. Each row represents one document that will be generated. Whatever information we put in these columns will be inserted into the Word template. So this is the data. The tool will take data from row 9 onwards, creates a document, save it, and then move to the next row until it finishes all records. If it finds any blank, if we put it any blank here, then it will skip and it will do until up to here. We have this is a document-based template-based document generator. We have a template here. There is a template folder, and the document is saved. Template is saved within the template folder. This is the template. Say this is the kind of letter that you wanted to generate. It can be of any type. So this is the template. We have to save the template file by creating a template folder, and then file name should be template. It can be .doc or it can be .docx. This is the tool that generates the documents. This tool and this template folder should be in a single folder. That is the one rule that we have to set it up. And the second thing that we have to map is this is the document, and let me open the template file again. This is the template file. The placeholders, that's the key for this one. The placeholders is, suppose say it is a city 1 as to, this is the data that we have, and headers we can mark in a unique way. I normally use two angular brackets opening and two angular brackets closing. And this is the first name, so I say F name, last name, L name, city. This is how I mark these headers. And these headers we have to map it as a placeholders in this document. I just type city 1. It can be of any font. Font doesn't matter. It is a text that matters. So city 1, say this is a city 1. If I wanted the data from this column to get into this place, then I place that whatever the column name that I entered here, I will just paste it here. And then in the same way, city 2. If I wanted this column data to get into here, so I will paste this one. So F name and L name, I'll again mark it F name space L name or comma L name, however you wanted it. So this way the first name, last names come here. For the row 1, Mark Muller will come here, and similarly city 1 and city 2 for this record. City 1 is New York and the city 2 is New Jersey. So New York and New Jersey will come here. The company name will come here, New Barrel Company. So that way we have to map this data from the Excel data columns, whatever the column names that we have given, we have to put it in this placeholder where the data has to come. That is the one key important thing. And coming to the interface here, all these marked in yellow are the user entries. See the column names and all you will enter. There is no restriction. You can have more number of column names, more of data, and you can say I have some other data also. Say company, the owner, and other details like the say some owner XYZ. Something is there, and I have some more data, but I don't want them in a template. No issues, because whatever the data that we map from these columns into the template, only those values will be picked up from the data. Only this. Sorry, let me take it. So only the values, whatever we enter, map it into the template, only that data will be picked up. If there are any additional data, that's not a problem. It will remain there. It will not be used in a document generation. That is the one thing. So it can have more number of data, and you can map any number of fields, or you can skip any number of placeholders here. No need that whatever data is there, everything should come here. It's not mandatory. So that is the word one, and these yellow fields user interfaces, as I said. So here you have the option to generate either PDF or the Word files. You can select PDF. If you select PDF, it will generate both Word and PDF. If you select Word, it will generate only the Word files. I'll select as a PDF. File names, because each row, one document is generated for each row. It should know which file name it has to use. Now you can select the file name. Whatever the names, column names that you give, it will automatically come as a drop down here. If I say, instead of F name, if I say F only, you can see it is dynamically, it will come as F. So I'll move it back to F name, because we have used that place in this document as a F name. So we need that name to be there. And then we are telling this tool to save the file as with the first name and last name, F name, L name. So make sure that illegal characters should not be there if we are selecting them as a F name and L name. Say for example, what I mean as a legal character, backslash is not a valid file name, star is not a valid file name. So these kind of characters should not come. If those characters come, it will find a difficulty in saving this document. So that is the overview of what is this tool about. Now I'll click on, once we have set up everything, we just have to click on the create document. So once we click on the create document, I'll close this template, otherwise it will give a warning to close the template. See, this is the template is open, we have to close it. So I'll close this template. So now I'll click on this generate document. It started generating. You can see the message here, processing document doc file 2 of 23. There are 23 total documents it has to generate. It is processing one by one. Yeah, it has completed generating all the documents. Now we can go back and see. It has created a folder called letters, and it has saved all these files. Now let's verify one Word and one PDF document. You can see that their first record, it has saved with the serial number. It's always good if you can keep the serial number here as a first column. So it will append that serial number. 1 Mark Muller. It is the first record is it has taken saved by this and this name, Mark Muller. And then New York and New Jersey, City 1 and City 2, New York and New Jersey. So New Barrel Company. So all this information is exported into this and created one document. Now let's take the second PDF. So you can see this Washington, Ohio, Mark Taylor. This data, Mark Taylor, Washington and Ohio, New Oil Company. So the New Oil Company. So this is how this tool works. That's it. If you need any customization or new features to be added, please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much for watching this demo.